How to add bot to Discord server. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how to add a bot to your Discord server. Discord is one of the most popular platforms for communication among gamers. It provides various options such as creating a server, creating rooms to play or chat. Also, a very useful function is adding a bot to your Discord server. This bot can serve you for various things, as for example, play music and the like. However, how do we add the bot? When you are in Discord and you are on the server where you want to add a bot, make sure that you are the owner of the server or that you have administrative rights to make such changes. We need to click on the name of our server located in the upper left corner. Here we will select the server settings option from the menu. In the list of options offered to us, we will click on the Add Directory option. Here we will type the name of the bot we want to add. In this example, I will use Greenbot. You can use someone else. When you find the bot you want, click on it and then click on the Add to Server button. We'll wait a bit. In the following windows, we have to agree to all the conditions, so we will tick everything and click on the button Continue and then Authorize. Discord will ask us to confirm that we are a robot. When we finish all that, we will click on the long Go To and the name of our server. This will take us to the server where we can check if the bot is working. Type Help. If commands appear that you can use with an explanation, that's it. You have successfully installed the bot on your Discord server. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Discord tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.